What's happening people? This is Prajeet here. एक सेकेंड यार, इधर पानी लगा हुआ है भाई ड्रैग 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 ड्रैग। What's happening people? This is Prajeet here with yet another vlog and I am with Ishan,
Finally.
Bhupin and Amrish. Alright, I'm at Jogeshwari right now. We are not going long. Trust me, थोड़ी फट रही है हमारा ये सारे हार्ले वगैरह हमारे लिए बहुत प्यारा है। तो फंड होने से पहले हम सोचे थोड़ा छोटे मोटा राइड कर लेते हैं। So we are going inside the city itself, mostly Nariman Point. Let's see if it's all safe. We're gonna decide at Worli first. Worli तक तो चलेंगे सी फेस। ये मेरा पहला व्लॉग है जहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को पूरा सिटी दिखाने वाला हूँ। सो एन्जॉय द सिटी। इफ इट डजंट रेन यू गाइस विल एंजॉय ड्रोन शॉट्स एज वेल। तब तक के लिए विल लीव फॉर नाउ या। I'm actually feeling really good right now. Trust me, riding मज़ा आ रहा है। सिटी राइड है लेकिन मतलब बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं। रिस्की है यार, मतलब थाने में लॉकडाउन, कहीं और लॉकडाउन, कहीं पे कोई रास्ते में, मतलब पूरा वियर्ड चीज़ें हैं। चलो अच्छी बात है कि निकले घर से। विल सी व्हाट हैपेंस अहेड। यू नो द 2 किलोमीटर रूल हैज बीन टेकन आउट, सो आइडियली वी कैन गो एंड गाइस इट्स जस्ट दैट हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं यार। ओहो बारिश आ गई, बारिश आ गई। ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉस सैंटा क्रूज बांद्रा। हाँ बांद्रा पहुंच गए। And we're gonna take a left from here, Mahim, because obviously C-Link में bikes are not allowed. Yeah, at least 600 cc and plus bikes should be allowed. Yeah. I want to tell you about this particular place. You see how it is? This is going down like this, and there's a turn. When I was riding an Avenger, ना ये जो रास्ता है exactly इस turn पे, it's a slope and it's a turn. I had there was this oil spill. मुझे दिख रहा है सामने कुछ 6-7 बाइक गिरे पड़े हुए हैं। All the bikes are fallen because of oil spill and you can't do anything about it. The whole road is filled with oil spill and I'm actually reaching the oil spill in next 3-4 seconds. I was like, what to do? तो मैं ऐसे ना कैसे करके 20 के स्पीड तक मैं आ गया। I slowed down and I had a guy behind me. 20 के स्पीड में फटाक करके, अरे क्या चला के गए भाई लोग मेरे। So at 20 के स्पीड में सब करके nice slip. So I started my career with sales. And this whole area, right, the whole area of Mahim, this is Shitla Devi metro station, exactly this place. I remember doing sales, man, like I had done this door-to-door sales and stuff. Khatarnak. I can't forget those days, बहुत सही थे. So this is Shiv Sena Bhavan for you guys. You can see. We're gonna that's where शिवाजी पार्क is. तो हम शिवाजी पार्क जाएंगे और ये आ गए हमारे भाई लोग। ये जो राइट पे दिखेगा आपको, दिस इज शिवाजी पार्क। सब यूजुअली यहाँ पे क्रिकेट वगैरह खेलते रहते हैं। सचिन तेंदुलकर यहीं पे क्रिकेट सीखा है। एंड सीधा, पता नहीं आप लोग देख पाओगे कि नहीं देख पाओगे, सीधा वो उस एंड पे वो सी है और वहाँ पे मुझे सी-लिंक भी दिख रहा है। वर्ली, वो बांद्रा वर्ली सी-लिंक के एंट्रेंस पे जाने का है। अच्छा हाँ। वहाँ से एक्चुअली राइट लेगा तो आता है। यहाँ पे बंद है, अभी बंद किया है। यहाँ से राइट लेके जाना। हाँ चल। Where's your number plate? God. Okay, so this is Worli Sea Face and we're gonna stop by here. Bro, Yuvraj is gonna come down here. He'll be taking 10 minutes, so we'll wait there.
Even if you sell our body parts, you want?
Sorry?
Even if you sell our body parts, a flat over here.
Seriously, selling a body part also will be like a crazy stuff. उससे भी नहीं मिलेगा, bro. All right. We are making a move right now. So we're leaving from here at Worli Sea Face and yeah, moving towards Nariman Point. There's a nice motorcycle gear shop inside this mall. Speed Merchant. Yeah, this guy. Very nice. Like you get like really good stuff inside the store. If you guys want to, just visit. That's Haji Ali Dargah. That's Ambani's house right in front. Antella. Antella, baby, Antella. So we've lost a friend, Amrish. We've stopped but can't find him. So we're at Chowpatty and going further. Let's go. Bhai, drag. Nice. We've reached our destination, Nariman Point. अभी यहाँ पे साला इन लोग रोकेंगे, इधर मत बैठो, ये मत करो. Yeah, I see so many cops. There. They'll be like, don't ride, this and that. So we're right now at Nariman Point. And we're chilling right now, so bikes दिखा देता हूँ. भूपेन वो तुम लोग सबसे तो मिल लिए. युवराज अभी just you guys saw him joining us, right? So yes, Harley Davidson Roadster. That's a Street 750. That's a Street Rod. Street 750. And yeah, so right now over here, we're leaving from here right now. The only problem is that there are a lot of cops and I can't fly a drone. I know it's gonna be a normal vlog, guys, but ठीक है यार, थोड़ा एक vlog थोड़ा छोटा मोटा हो तो कोई बात नहीं. But I'll have to leave right now. Post this, we are going to Bandra Reclamation. We'll go to Bandra Reclamation, chill there for a while, and then go back home maybe. So yeah, I'll update you guys on whatever's happening. The good thing is it's monsoons and there are less number of potholes. So sahi hai. That's a very good thing. So at Reclamation, as you can see, Yuvraj, Ishan, Bhupen lost one guy, Amrish. So he lost his way back, and so we were waiting for him from past half an hour to 45 minutes. He didn't turn up. He said, we called him and like, bro, tu wapas ja, we are also leaving right now. So yes, leaving back home. तो चलो यार, अगला vlog we'll plan. I'll plan something bigger. This is a short city ride because I just wanted to take my bike out. That's it, yeah. So next time again. Cheers. Take care.